guys, it's Morgan and I'm back with another video. This time it's a huge $500 Fashion Nova try-on haul, and today I'm going to be showing you guys what I got from Fashion Nova. Literally, it's my first time ever shopping on Fashion Nova. If you haven't seen this face before, hey, oh, what's up, Homestead Biscuit? My name is Morgan and you should totally subscribe to be part of this bam bam. Also follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat at IamSimplyMorgan. Tell your girl what's up and what's happening. Fashion Nova haul! Hey! So I got this mustard colored dress called Moments Like This ruffle dress. I have been wanting this dress for a minute and I'm so excited to try it. Its bodycon dress is off the shoulder. It'll give it a little off the shoulder action. Cinches in since it's bodycon. You're giving the curves, the booty. Also, I'm a size 4, so I don't really know what curves I'm getting, but you know, I'm giving something at least. At the bottom, it's got a little flare out, you know. It's giving me Mamacita vibes, Miami vibes. It's actually, it's not like super stretchy, but it's not like bad where it can't stretch a little bit. Oh, okay, come on. Oh my god, this is sucking in everything right now. Senorita wants Senorita and some mustard. She is who? Where? She is traveling to who? Barbados? Bahamas? Something tropical? Cause that is what she is giving me. The little shake. Let me tell you, you're not ready for a little shoulder. I don't know if you can tell from my energy just went like up like 1,000 because I just can't get over this. This is so cute, guys. And it's literally, now when I put it on, not gonna lie, I said, oh, bodycon. And this is definitely bodycon. It is sucking it in, but still see how it's stretchy? It's still stretchy. I got this in a small, just for reference, you guys. I'm only 5'3" and a half. Who is she? Maria. I hope I didn't F that up. I got myself some flare jeans, and these jeans are called Deep in My Soul flare jeans. I got these on a size 5. I actually don't really own a lot of dark like denim. I don't know why, but I don't. Oh, these are high-waisted, guys. Look at them. Okay, and look at the flare. Look at the flare. She means business. She means business. That's what I'm talking about. Businesswoman right here. The fit looks like it's about to hug me, which I heard Fashion Nova jeans are supposed to like do wonders to the booty, and that's what I'm hoping, because right now this dress is doing wonders to this booty. Oh, I can't believe I just did that. They are kind of like a jegging material because I'm getting a little stretch from it. These fit so nice, like literally, and they're like they're legit high-waisted, because when people say high-waisted, it's never past my belly button, but this is past my belly button. Like my belly button is here and it's past my belly button, and it fits so nicely. The material is absolutely amazing. Like guys, this is probably one of my favorite pair of jeans right now because they feel so amazing. Flare, look at that. Look at that flare. And you see how smooth it looks on my leg? You see how smooth it looks on my leg? It's giving me full-on 70s vibes. Zendaya would wear this. The next one is a black crop top that says, "Got you hooked." And I got it in a size small. Oh, look how cute it is. You can slide into it, because that's what I'm going to do. Or you can unhook the front. No, you can't unhook the front. Never mind. Don't unhook the front. Don't do that. That's not a good idea. It's a stretchy material. Like, it's super stretchy. Puffy sleeves. It's got the little, it's not going to fall down, because it's one of those ones that just, you know, kind of fold over when you have it on your arm. You'll see it when I put it on. But besides that, it's a stretchy material. It seems very nice. It's a very great shirt for, you know, going into the fall. If you don't live in such a cold place, this is perfect for you, because it's perfect for me because I don't live in a cold place. I'm ready because I think I might wear this on a date tomorrow, so I for sure want to know if it looks really cute and if this is ready for the date. Oh, okay, come on. Look in together. Come on. Literally, I'm cinched. I'm like giving you hourglass. This top, it's, oh my god, it's so cute. Literally, yes. This is giving me, I think this is like a milkmaid type top, and I just love it. I love the gold in the center. I love the fact that you can't, it's a stretchy material, so you can eat and it goes, it literally extends with you. See how I just extended for you guys? No, I'm not going to extend no more because I didn't want you to see all that. Giving me a little action, but not exposing too much, you know, not exposing all of the goods yet, you know, but you're still giving that ooh, ah, who is that girl walking down the street? And I just love the opening. I got this blazer, and it is the Boss Babe blazer, and it is in a size small. I think it's kind of big. I'm not 100% sure, but I've always wanted a blazer like this. If you guys see my recent videos, I've been trying to, you know, get into blazers lately. Like, I own a few. So you see it's nicely done. It's got a little bit of shoulder pads in it, which I'm not mad at, because I feel like if you don't have shoulder pads in your blazers, they just be, and we don't want, we want large and in charge. I mean, this blazer is Boss Babe blazer. I think that's what it's called. So you letting people know that you're large and in charge, and no man can F with you, no woman can F with you in this blazer. That's right. That's right. Let them know. Let them know. Ouch. She large and oh yes, business woman. 1, 2, 3. Who is she? Oh, and there's pockets. Stop it. She is a businesswoman. You can't F with her. Ooh, I'm loving this. I love the color. I love the cut of it all. I love how it's not like too much. Like, even if, you know how some people wear it with like out a top and they do like those fierce photo shoots? Like, I can feel like I can do that. I love the fact that there's pockets. Pockets are very important because some blazers just don't come with pockets. These ones do. And I love how the buttons are placed on here. And I love the fact that it's just like a longer length, and the shoulder pads aren't like super high to where it kind of makes me look boxy. It doesn't give me like a boxy look. It gives me the she's in charge look. Yeah, that's right. I love this. I'm about to wear this. I'm gonna wear it out. Go like, hey, I'm here for my drink. Let's get down to business. Business. Get down to business, cause I'm Boss Babe in this blazer. The next thing I want to try on is a dress. I got this purple, beautiful dress that is called Midnight Dance mini dress in purple from Fashion Nova, of course, because it's a Fashion Nova. First off, I don't have anything in this color. Secondly, I don't have anything like this that's supposed to cinch in your body. Oh my god, this is about to do body yada yada. I could get in trouble for this. Fabric's kind of like a spandex material. Definitely a spandex material. And I love the ruching on the side and giving a little peekaboo with some extra little fabric right there. I don't know if my boobs are gonna fill out this area. I got it on a small, but yet again, I told you guys I don't really have, you know, large boobs. So yeah. Okay. Oh wow. I kind of feel like Nikita Dragon today. I don't know why, but I kind of do. This, you see the curves? You see the hourglass is giving me? Ooh, sensation. This is so cute, guys. I literally can't get over it. It's a nice material. Got a little funky trying to get into it because I didn't know that there was some slots to put your feet in. So I was struggle bus there. But besides that, I like the ruching of the dress. I think it's very flattering on my body. It's great for a night out on the town with your girls or with your man or something. I don't know, but I love this. I think it's giving me the ooh ah sensation. This is just like you walk in a club, everybody's gonna look at you. This is something that's gonna catch somebody's eye. You're gonna walk in 1, 2, and they're gonna be like, oh, who's she? You're gonna be like, me? Okay, you don't gotta do me, but you can. Or you can be like, me? What the hell am I doing? We're gonna just do these outfits together. So this first one is a top that I think is actually really perfect for fall. It's called Cross My Way top, and it's in a mustard color because I feel like mustard is very in during the fall. And basically it's like a kind of off the shoulder, not really. It's ribbed, it's yeah, it's kind of off the shoulder. And it feel like it just cinches in the body just right. I feel like it's gonna give nice cleavage if you got it. I definitely love this. I think this is perfect for fall. Can't wait to try that on. I'm going to try that top on with these jeans. These jeans are classic high-waisted skinny jeans. I saw Kylie Jenner in these jeans. I guess they're promoting it as like a Kylie Jenner jean because I found it in the Kylie Jenner section on Fashion Nova's website, and I was like, oh, you know, her butt looks really good in this. Let me see if mine will. Praying that this, you know, makes my booty look just right and not too tight, but just right. And these jeans, and I feel like they definitely are. I got a light wash. Light wash has just always been my thing, and they're high-waisted. Love it. They're skinny jeans. So let me try both of these on and you'll see my look. Love the look. It looks great. I just feel, I didn't think it was like this exposed, but it's like really cute. Like this is actually really cute. I love the top so much. It's a little, I feel like the top's a little short only because these jeans are so high-waisted, so I would feel like I would literally only wear it with these jeans or something else that I have like super high-waisted, just because like this is very, it's very cropped. But besides that, like I really like it. Material's great. It's not itchy, none of that, and it's staying in place. Like you saw it stay in place when I do an idiotic dance. No. Let's talk about these jeans real quick. She did what? She did who? She did what? My butt does not look flat in these jeans. Oh, heavens yes. This is a approved check for that date tomorrow night. It's stretchy. It's good material. Like you see that? And I love it. Fashion Nova, you doing my thing because you're helping your girl out. She's not gonna have a flat booty tomorrow night, I'll tell you that. So the last set of clothes that I'm gonna try are, it's actually like a set, and then I'm also gonna try, I got this set which I have to get out of the bag. This set is called Totally You Plaid Skirt Set, and basically when I saw this I was like, Clueless. It is a yellow and black and white blazer with a little bit of shoulder pads, giving you 90s realness. This cute blazer, I got this all in a small, just like everything else I'm wearing. It's got one button. The material's really nice. Not like 100% like the skirt in Clueless, but it's just a cute little like pencil skirt. Short, but it's not like, well, I hope it's not super short. And then it comes with like a cute little belt, which I love. It has a zipper in the back, so you don't have to, well, you do have to undo the belt, but you have a zipper in the back, just, you know, cinch yourself up, and it's giving me major Clueless vibes. I have this turtleneck. This turtleneck is everything. I just got this regular turtleneck. It's just a simple turtleneck. It's ribbed, which is nice. It's great material. It's definitely stretchy. It's an actual turtleneck and not the mock turtlenecks. This is the Kylie ribbed turtleneck sweater, so I want to say it was part of the Kylie Jenner line, but I'm not 100% sure. But I haven't worn a turtleneck like this since I was probably like 11, and I'm 24, so 13 years. And I'm just so excited because these have definitely come back in style, at least for the last like year or two, and you know, I'm finally hopped on that train and said, skirt, let me get on that train too. And let me rock this turtleneck for you. Okay, you cannot sit here and tell me that I am not clueless. Not clueless like that, but you know what I mean. She is not, oh, no pockets. Not sit here and tell me that I don't look like Cher, besides the fact that I'm black. Let's just say I'm giving you 90s realness, Clueless, Cher, as if, but not the as if from Bring It On, even though that's a jam. Does not have no stretch whatsoever. I mean, it fits fine, but it's now making me realize that I kind of do have a little bit of a booty. I feel like once I film this, I'm gonna be like, no girl, you don't have no booty. Might not wear it with this turtleneck because it's starting to get a little hot and I can't wear like this full-on blazer with it, but I mean the turtleneck does wonders. It does keep a girl cold. Now we're gonna get to the final look, and I also wanted to kind of put this on. Got a pair of shoes from Fashion Nova, And I got these black boots that tie up. These are definitely in style. They're like a combat, like military type boot. Honestly, kind of reminds me of the shoes that Laura Jean wore in what's that movie? Oh, To All the Boys I Loved. That's what it's giving me, like that realness, but much higher. Look at this baby. Look at this baby. You see that? You see that? It looks, first off, it's a platform so I can walk in it, and it's got a chunky heel so I can definitely walk in it. I got this in a size 7.5 because my foot is a size 7.5, and I just love it. It's so cute. It's not scuffed. Looking just right for your girl. She about to stomp all over everyone. Woo! Oh, but it looks so cute with this. Oh, stop it! It looks so cute with this outfit. First off, it makes me a giant. I'm tall. I could see differently up here. Wow, it looks weird. Watch. That's my height now. See me now. This is my height. And this is my height in them heels. You just see the world differently from this height. You see this? Oh, it fits so wonderful and it looks good on my foot, and it actually goes great with this outfit. You see that? Oh, who is she? Oh, she almost threw out her back doing that. Oh. Give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed to join this. Bam bam. Also follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat at IamSimplyMorgan. Tell your girl what's up and what's happening. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out. A home skillet. A biscuits.